I'm sharing a great face taping technique for the smile lines. This is part of my face yoga series of videos, which I hope that you're loving. And today we are focusing in on the laugh lines, the smile lines, also known as the nasolabial folds. Now, you're going to need your K-tape. So this is Kinesiology tape. It comes in a little roll, and you're going to cut a piece as long as you need. So you're just going to start right above that hairline area on your cheekbone, and that tape should reach really about just ahead of your smile line or your laugh line area. So you're going to cut that up, and then you're going to put in 3 strips. So you can see the 3 slits that I've cut in my K-tape, making sure you're always cutting it in the right direction. So you may have to experiment with this a little bit because you want that tape to have that give, and that it has that lifting effect on the skin. Okay, so I will now affix this. So I have a base cut. So remember to leave your base at the top of your tape, and your slits only go about 2/3 of the way up your piece of tape. And you can affix your base of that tape close to the hairline area, remember. And I always like to have a little bit of tension on my skin when I do this. And again, this is on clear, clean, cleanse, toned, whatever you do as your skincare routine. I often will put my serums on as well, let them soak in, and then apply my tape. Now, if I'm finding that my tape isn't tacky enough because there's still some residue from my serum, I will use a little bit of a cotton ball or a face cloth just to get off that excess. Okay, so are we ready? We're going to affix the base first, but again, I put a little bit of light tension on my skin, always against gravity, so in this direction, before I affix the base, and then I'm going to pat that down. Now, as I pull away the back of my tape, you're going to see that my 3 strips are there, and I have to readjust them to the right position. So again, always pulling my skin in this direction, I'm going to take my first tab, and remember, we're working on the smile line, so we're going to have that stretchiness in the tape pulling down towards the smile line and attaching, and that will have that lifting technique. The next one, so my middle strip, again, towards my smile line, always keeping a little bit of tension in my skin, and of course pulling that tape towards the smile line. This last one is great for the marionette lines as well, so that's something that I share in another video, so you can check that out. And then you pat it down gently, and now you can see that that has a lifting effect, and you'll see this depending on how pronounced your laugh lines, your smile lines are. This will have that lifting effect on that area. Now, this is fantastic if you're a side sleeper, to definitely tape that side where you do have your head on the pillow, and this will really help to minimize those wrinkles from forming as you're sleeping on your pillow. So today I talked about face taping for those smile lines, those nasolabial folds, and those laugh lines. For tips on how to have glowing skin, check out my video, 9 Tips for Glowing Skin. I'll see you there.